Hi. Okay. Okay, let's just get into this. Okay, so I saw this beautiful house. It made me think, or it reminded me of how we used to build houses with bamboos. But when I searched Philippine bamboo, just to make sure I'm not mistaken, these tumpong bamboo flutes came up. Then I did a little bit more digging when I came across these iconic Abra bamboos, which are used for banigs. The creativity of banig being made into accessories crossed into my mind. Specifically, it made me thought of those classic rattan bags. If you don't know what that looks like, it looks like this. It looks so cool and so creative, so I gotta use it. I was about to start thinking of designing something. I remember one very iconic innovative piece. You've guessed it. Capiz shells. Those iconic capiz shells. We cannot have this very versatile and stylish piece be left out. So I included it into my design. By the time I was browsing for potential elements to be used, I already had an idea on what my sketch is going to be. I was contemplating if I were to use digital or traditional. But eventually I opted for traditional because I want that authenticity of folk art design. Honestly, I don't have any script on what I'm going to say. I'm just gonna ramble. So here we go. Since we have a lot of time to kill while I'm sketching, I could explain to you guys why I picked birdhouse. So when I was trying to think of something, at that time we had our physical education essay about birds and the no trace something. I swear I studied this. I just can't remember it right now. No trace. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in text. There you go. Okay, so it really reminded me of that. And here we go. Here we are. I didn't really have any plan for this, but I do have an idea on what's going to be. I found this. I kind of figured I want to look like the rattan bag because the rattan bag is really iconic for me, so why not? And then you know how they always have those capiz shell, those iconic windows on those traditional houses like this, and how they use it for lamps. I'm gonna use that capiz shell. Okay, I'm gonna shut up for a minute because I want you guys to hear this ASMR. Anyways, I started doing my sketch around midnight as opposed to the time I was filming the intro because I had work immersion to work, to finish. Also, we cannot forget about our puni art. Yay! Puni art. If you don't know puni art, you could check my video right. I'm just kidding. No, puni art is the one that it's part of our assessment. Back then, I also made a video for it. It's kind of fun, to incorporate that. At least the bird would know it's for them, right? So here you go. I included that. Honestly, the flute, I don't know if I'm gonna use that for like a support. You know how they put like a stem of support, but I kind of figured that I want this birdhouse to be hanging on a tree, because again, no leaf traces something. I still can't remember it. I'm sorry. I might have to look at it right now so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, here. Okay. It's leave no trace principle. Boom. There you go. That's the answer. Honestly, I just want this to be a birdhouse because I think it's cute. It's not just cute, okay? It has its purpose. I want it to be like a very eco-friendly. I could, just leave it on a tree. I mean, imagine you have a house, okay? Let's say it's a modern house, but you got this cute little birdhouse that's made with abra banig, cabbage shells, and what else did I use? My very first plan was to only use pencil because I don't want to make it complicated, but I kind of figured that you guys need to see it more properly, like the outlines and such. So I was contemplating if I'm gonna use the drawing pen that I have. And yeah, as you can see, I ended up using the drawing pen after all. So I traced it. It was kind of scary because I'm like I don't want to do this again. I'm too lazy to make this sketch again, and I'm gonna waste some paper. We don't want to do that. Like, it defeats the purpose of being eco-friendly. I gotta work on my perspective more. Like, look at this. It doesn't even fit. It's not even accurate. But you know what? Whatever. At least you guys can see the concept of what I'm trying to do here, and you can see each side, so you know what's in there. Like this hook thing. And then the colors. I was contemplating so hard on this one because my style in drawing is black and white. Because I don't know how to play with colors, so I'm kind of scared with this one, but I want you guys to visualize it. Yeah, I took a leap and tried using this color. If you're gonna ask me, no, I didn't like it, but here you go. At least you can see it. You know what it is. It's much more, I don't know, presentable maybe. Yeah, I did continue it in the morning because that night was not just the light. That night was not the friendliest, man. My eyes were so sore from looking at the color. I don't even know what color I was using. So when I saw it in the morning, I was like, you know what? Fine, I could use this. I could play with this. As we are ending, you could see this is the final sketch. I transferred it into Photoshop. Here is the original one, the one I scanned. I cleaned it up and then I put all the tags in it so you know where it came from and you know what it is, because my drawing is kinda not the most presentable right now, but hey, I tried. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys got through my voice, congratulations. I hope you liked my crooked sketch concept for Philippine folk art, contemporary arts. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.